Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 213. This was the 31st of March 2023, a Friday. Took my daughter to school, worked on books, worked on Remote Wellness Academy, worked on insurance, and I stayed up late to do some last-minute insurance sales before the beginning of the year, or beginning of the month. And that was my day. And then I'm also working on IM Academy and getting ready to do a soft launch on Monday with that business. So that was basically it for day 213. And my gratitude for today goes out to the people who developed ChatGPT, because I think that is going to be a revolutionary tool. It's something I've been really using a lot. It's really helping me out, and it's amazing what kind of technology they've got these days. How it can you can interact with it and they can teach you things and you can learn things. You can bounce ideas off of it. So I'm really excited about that technology. It's free, so no excuse to get in there and start learning. So anyway, that's it for day 213, and I'm grateful for ChatGPT and people behind it, because there's a lot of people behind that platform. Behind the scenes making all that happen. So that's it for day 213. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow.